Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the fourth episode of Radical Measures podcast. Yes, we have made it to the fourth episode. But before we start with the actual content of this episode, what I want you to do is just focus on the screen. You see that subscribe button? Hit that subscribe button. All right. I've heard that's one way of getting in heaven. You never know. All right. Just cover all of the bases, subscribe to our channel, and be decent people. All right, overall. All right, that's it. That's enough call to action.
True.
Now, getting on with the episode. Welcome, Noel.
Hello, Gaurav. What's up?
It's all good. We've survived. We have made it to another week because,
YouTubers.
we haven't actually gone ahead and done anything to survive as such, but we have. That's what has happened.
Yeah. Our thing of survival is not a day-to-day basis.
Exactly.
It's not that.
Yeah, it's not that.
There's enough, in every aspect of life in terms of surplus.
Oh,
That you can
all
be
right.
there.
You know what? One aspect
For
in which
survival.
one aspect in which there is no surplus, okay, and we need a lot of it. It's civic sense. All right, let me start
I
off
thought
with
you were
that.
going to go with space.
Oh no. Space. Space can wait. Okay, I want people to have civic sense before they get space, because guess what? At least now I can see their stupidity, although it gets to me. But if we give them space,
Yeah. Then they'll be too busy claiming it.
but my own theory has been proven wrong. All right, I'll tell you what, it irks me. All right, when I get outside the house, I'm scared now. I'll tell you why. I'm afraid of the variety of chutiagiri that exists. Just the sheer variety of it. Okay, like I'll give you an example. On my way here today, okay, I'm at the traffic signal in the cab, right, and it's a red signal, right, and it's time for pedestrians to cross. Now there was this heavily pregnant woman who was crossing the street. Okay, and of course, because she's heavily pregnant, there's a bit of waddling, there's a bit of taking your time.
Correct.
Because
She's walking for two.
exactly, there's another kid, there's another life that she's like, nah, be careful.
Can't screw this up.
Exactly,
I've been at this for 7 months.
it's like the fixed deposit thing.
Yeah.
You can't remove the money now.
Yeah,
It has to mature. All right,
Yeah.
that's what it is.
Before time, if you do, there'll be more loss.
Exactly.
In terms of hospital bills.
Exactly, So she's taking her time and she's being careful, but the countdown begins. At the signal you have this countdown, 30 seconds are left, and then it starts flashing. And dude, I'm telling you, everybody wants a Formula One start at a traffic signal in Mumbai. Everybody is like, I want to clear the start 100 meters without people around
It's
me.
like, no, this crossway, if I don't finish, then the rest of the day will cascade into chaos.
Dude,
it's that kind of shit.
Yeah, it's the countdown had started, alright, and people had started to rev their engines, alright, just like the start of a race. And
Dude,
Then-
sorry to interrupt you, but you remember in NFS and Fast and Furious, there's always that one hot chick who ends with this.
Oh,
This lady
dude,
would be the most funniest person.
a pregnant lady with the flags, like 3, 2, 1.
Go. That's what she is.
Oh my god. By the time the smoke clears from the burning
Yeah,
rubber,
that kid has a cleft palate.
exactly. Oh my god. Yeah, I was going to go with the fact that the baby is delivered, but you just gave the baby a cleft
course.
palate. All right, fine.
That's what will happen with smoke.
That's what will happen with smoke. Damn, dude. Yeah, true. But this wasn't the case, although she basically found herself in the same situation, this bichara pregnant
Oh, I
lady.
have employment in an underground racing.
Oh my god. And this lady, she's crossing the street and the engines are revving and then people start honking. People start honking at her, dude, because they are just like, I see around and everybody in rickshaw and on bikes and in cars and whatnot, they're just looking at this lady and then they're looking at the number, the countdown and the lady and just being like, hurry
they're
up.
like, none of this was planned. Not even the kid.
And I'm telling you, dude, she looked so afraid for a moment. She looked so afraid for a moment, like, damn, dude,
Yeah, of
these
course.
people look like they mean business.
True. It's the equivalent of screaming at a pregnant woman.
There is no empathy beyond that side of the windshield. None.
Yeah, you're all the
Nobody.
same. That kid is as good as born.
Yeah,
At this point
I
of time.
couldn't understand like why were they honking? Like of course they wanted her to hurry up and whatnot, but was it just that, or was it that they were almost angry at the fact that you're creating more traffic? Okay, lady, like you're creating future traffic now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. The miracle of life, Baba.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, it's this. It's just more traffic. Like I can't stand it. And my God, dude, I was just I was thinking for like why? You know, first of all, I can understand if you are that, if you know, culturally speaking, you're a very punctual culture. You know, everything has to be on time, and but that's not the case.
Yeah.
You know, for a culture which is so impunctual, I don't understand why we are honking at pregnant women.
No. That and considering the fact of how we don't wear seatbelts now, we take the proverb better late than never very seriously.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, we're like, yeah, never nahi hai na.
Yeah.
Like, because I see that when I see Uber drivers and all, they are also very like, "Arey, time pe aana chahiye, please come quickly" and whatnot. But they
Correct.
won't wear a seat belt. It's
Yeah.
almost like, in case I am not dead, I want to be on time. Like, that's the zone they are going in.
Yeah, I mean, you know, as far as this whole vibe itself was concerned, I was like, we are not punctual, we are not going anywhere, we are not reaching anywhere on time.
Yeah.
But maybe that is the reason why they are honking. They already have not factored in the travel time, and they're already running behind the clock. So they are like, okay, pregnant lady, I'm a normal, nice guy from time to time, but today I'm late. So please, waddle fast.
Yeah.
Tuck, 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 tuck.
Push
be a penguin.
yourself to that, you know, physical limit. That,
Yeah.
Like, this is where the motherly instinct, no, where they pick up cars and whatnot.
Yeah.
Like, put it here now. That is a demand.
Oh my God! And
Old
and just the thought of, you know, of all the things that a pregnant woman has to be afraid of, because you
Yeah.
have to be. You have to be paranoid, dude. When you're carrying a child, you're afraid. You know, you're very much aware of space around you. You're looking at the floor as if it wants to trick you into falling. You know, or
Yeah.
is this good? Is this? You're being very self-conscious and very aware, of course, because of the safety of you and your child. You know, and then you have Mad Max. You know, when you get out, तू मतलब ऐसा जवार बाजरा कुछ लेने को जा रहा है वगैरह, and you have to be like, oh, okay, any one of these innocent looking fuckers can kill me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just have to run out of their patience. Like, that's all.
Oh my God. And I've seen there are so many. It's not that we don't recognize it. The funniest thing about our hypocrisy is we recognize that what is happening is not good. Right? But we almost always think, yeah, but I'm not counted. Everybody else is.
No, because that is it, no? Because when they see a pregnant lady, of course, her problem is bigger than my problem. Or rather, okay, she has a problem which seems more serious. And I have a problem which means I have to get on time. But the thing is, my problem is always going to be bigger than that lady's problem because I have to solve my problem.
Yeah.
You know, so that always comes. That one
Yeah.
thing makes all the difference. And
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
like, okay, fine, theek hai. Sorry, pregnant. There's many pregnant women. Theek hai,
Oh my God.
There's too many pregnant women.
I'm telling you, man. When I'll give you this instance, okay? Like, wow, that's
That's a good breed.
that is a loud breed. That's the anti-theft device.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
that's why dogs make for like the greatest anti-theft devices. Like, you know, it's better than any alarm.
Because it will wake you up.
It will wake you up because it's another animal making a noise. You know, it's not a machine. It doesn't have a circuit board. It will do its job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, of all the things that a pregnant woman has to be afraid of now, I mean, this also, you know, and I was just thinking about it that in a city, right, you have the best of facilities. Like in a village, in a tribal school, you know, I'd gone to a tribal school when I was working as a teacher. See, nice human being. Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Now, that's what we do, right? That's how people ask for subscription, right? You sell your humanity. You show,
Yeah.
like, yeah, I'm a human being.
I have brought the list of all good deeds I did since
Exactly.
95.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you know, we were at that tribal school, and the teachers over there, they were telling us about the lack of infrastructure and how much of a problem it is. And one of the examples they gave was that of a pregnant lady during the monsoon, and they had to literally get a bed sheet, and 4 or 5 people had to carry her till the outer circumference where, you know, a road.
Then, like, over there, they can transport some
ambulance
hope of
वगैरह
transport.
लेके
Yeah.
exactly. And just to think that उधर तो बहुत रिस्क है ना, like you have lack of medical care, or maybe it's far away, quality may be suffering, you know, who knows. But that is like all of the odds stacked against you. And then when you're in a city, like, you know, this lady has the best prenatal care options, has the best postnatal care options. Like the doctor will be talking to her about pregnancy blues. You know, like I don't know if in the rural areas like women are told about
There
pregnancy.
is no
blues.
pregnancy blues. No.
There's you have 2 hours. Deal with it. It's time to get on with life. Yeah. So this lady has the best of, like, you know, she's probably already decided like which hospital she's going to give birth
Yeah,
at.
it's all planned. That kid has a itinerary.
Yeah.
For the rest of like at least 5 years, itinerary is fixed. where
Exactly.
they're going, yeah.
But she did not take into account the lack of civic
Other
sense.
people's itinerary.
Exactly. Other people's itinerary. Exactly. You want to be somewhere, lady? Guess what? Even I have to be somewhere.
Everyone has places to be, people to meet.
Like every honk was basically, is your child born yet? Doesn't count.
Yeah.
Then it doesn't count.
Yeah. That way, we've realized that, okay, we are not pro-life.
Yeah.
This country is not pro-life.
Are you breathing for your baby? Then it counts as 1 vote. That's what it is. We'll use all sorts of argument.
Yeah.
Right? But I really, I mean, that would be a huge surprise, man. When, you know,
You know what will be karma? If like all these people honking, at some point they're in a flight and that baby after a few months, is on that flight crying and irritating them.
oh my God, that would be such a loop of life that you
Yeah,
would
yeah.
want to cancel out.
Yes.
Like, in my timeline, solder this out. I don't want crying babies.
Yes.
That's a superpower, by the way. Can you
stopping babies from
Oh
crying.
my God, dude. You know,
Legit superpower.
airlines would employ you. You know, fly in first class.
Can you remotely do this?
Yeah.
Like they'll be like, can you remotely do this throughout time zones? Are there more like you?
If not, like we'll place you, we'll give you a first class ticket. It will be sorted. Okay, we'll give you a first class ticket. Just ensure that no babies cry. We'll pay you extra. You know what? They'll even charge that fee as, you know, additional extra fee on the
No
ticket.
crying babies.
Yeah, no crying baby cess or something like that. They'll call like 2.5% of the overall this. And I'm telling you, dude, adults will gladly pay it. All adults.
Yeah. Because every other baby is one extra baby that you didn't sign up to listen crying.
Apart from the parents, right? Like, apart from the parents, all of the other adults on the flight will have at least like 10 different options on how to shut the child up.
Yeah.
Instantly. Like instantly. The moment they hear the first cry, they are going to have options. And like 3 would be hurting the child somehow. 3 would be getting the child like drunk, roofy. You know, give it something. Give it something to make it go to sleep. Give it baby juice. Let's call it baby juice. Okay? Give the baby some baby juice.
Yeah, I mean,
so
at
that
this point there's no memory.
yeah, so that our baby juice can work on us. Okay? And that is basically what will happen. But, you know, as far as traveling, having a baby, expecting some sort of civic sense, you know, from the world is concerned, that's still like, you know, you look at that and you feel like how today I was like, come on, man, we can do better than this. Let's not honk at pregnant women. We are already honking at each other, at everything that moves. We are honking at pigeons. You know, I've seen that happen. Like, you know, get out of the way, pah, pah. Like, we are honking at everything, dogs, everything. So let's not honk at pregnant women, okay? But then...
PSA.
Huh?
If you see a pregnant lady, don't honk at her.
Yeah, I mean, that's it. That's the least that you can do. Trust me, you're not being a great guy.
She wants to get out of the road.
Yeah.
Like, if anything,
Yeah.
that is the last place she wants to be.
That's the last place to. She is at this point of time like that frog crossing the road game character.
Yes.
Like, I just want to make it to the other side. Okay, that's it. That is all I want to do.
Yeah, dude. Like, I think after pregnancy, there's like, she's playing land and water.
Yeah.
With just safe and unsafe places.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you know, if I'm here and this is here, like, say, my house, my in-laws' house and whatnot, like, everywhere in the middle is danger.
Dangerous.
Because abhi idhar kabhi bhi bacha paida ho sakta hai, anything.
Oh, yes. I mean, I remember I had seen, recently gone on a hike and I had seen a young couple walking down the mountain. Okay. And the mother was wearing a sari and whatnot, and like it looked like they were on a picnic, and a kid and chappals, and it had just rained and there was mud and whatnot, and I was like, my God, man, please be more careful. And the father is just walking like, I don't give a shit, you carry him. You know, the father wasn't having it at all. The father is like, मेरा इस्त्री किया shirt में वो खराब नहीं करने का, तू उठा.
Yeah.
that poor lady, I remember her face was like one of those mothers, you know, where अरे 9 महीना भी मैं ही, इसके बाद भी मैं ही, like
no,
तो
she
कभी
was,
आता है?
she, the way you're describing that she dressed up and all, she was expecting a fancier place.
Oh yes.
और उसका
Oh
भी
my
और
God.
उसका भी इस्त्री, like he was like मेरा shirt इस्त्री करके रखा and whatnot, and she did it like, yeah, we're definitely going to a fancier place. That's why she wore
Oh,
chappal and
yeah,
all,
yeah.
and then she's like, ये क्या है यार?
I saw disappointment on
Yeah,
her
yeah.
face.
कि मतलब she must have been like ना कि अरे यार, I know natural beauty or not, but I have been literally nature for 9 months. Enough. Show me some concrete
No,
civilization.
I think she was just carrying the kid to just remind herself like, no, let's not leave him. The kid is also involved. You know, let's not.
Now there is no exit
Now
way.
there is no exit way.
Yeah.
Now there is no exit
Yeah,
way.
marriage has a very small exit and it is baby shaped.
Yeah.
Once the baby happens, doop, there.
But at least like when it comes to lack of civic sense and whatnot, also it's okay. But when it comes to like, see, you have these legitimate complaints, okay, regarding traffic, regarding how people we are, how hypocritical we are about things and how we behave with each other and whatnot. And then there are of course examples that you come across on the internet or you read in the newspaper,
Yeah.
which makes you go,
Some people are in charge of the world who are like, oh my god. This
no,
is
like as far as you know, India is concerned, like yeah, it has its shortcomings and whatnot, but it's still not that place. That is what I'm talking about.
We have the lower thing of a benchmark, the opposite thing of a
Yeah,
benchmark.
because there will always be a benchmark. See, we can you know, be idealistic and aspire to like compete with European nations, but let's be honest, okay? Let's
as
be
long as
honest.
it's better than that hell,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah. And let's be honest, we do well when we are competing with people who are not that good.
Yeah.
You know, like of course we do, and
It feels nice.
in some ways it does, because you have to, like, I came across this bit of news, okay, about North Korea. You know? Oh yes, came across this, and that's how a North
Is that
Korean
news?
Oh yes, but that's how a North Korean sounds, by the way. No energy or not. It's almost like can't breathe. Korea.
Yes.
You know, North Korea. There's no energy, no calorie intake. You know, this is apparently Kim Jong Un, right, the supreme leader of North Korea, has gone ahead and mentioned in one of his addresses recently that food scarcity might be a problem in North Korea.
Did he skip lunch by mistake?
No.
Did that happen?
No. He looks like he skipped a lot of lunches, by the way. He's lost some weight, okay? And he's lost some weight, I think, because he knew he had to give this news. So he's like, I should also look like I haven't eaten, like I have sacrificed a bit.
So he went to looking average.
He went to losing a bit of weight, and you know, almost as if to tell his people that we are all hungry. as if to suggest that. But he legitimately looked a bit scared, you know, about the fact that food scarcity might be a legitimate problem, because bananas, always the metric as far as inflation is concerned.
There is a banana standard.
Banana standard when it comes to economics and inflation.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so the scenario is so bad, and the economic inflation and, you know, food scarcity is to this extent where you have to pay $45 for bananas. You know, $45 American currency in North Korea. So only like people going to the parliament are eating bananas.
Oh my god.
All right. And this guy, he just comes out and firstly, he announces it as if it's a new problem. Like North Koreans have never been known to be like the most well-fed people on the planet. Guess which land of people...
Bread basket of the world, North Korea. Never.
Never. Guess which people meet all of their nutritional standards? North Korea. Never. Never. Since North Korea was born, you know, after the Korean conflict, since that has happened, there has never been a prosperous time. Do you understand how terrible it is to be a North Korean?
Yeah, and like South Korea is right there.
It's right there. That's why people run away and they're defectors and whatnot. But to just go ahead and imagine, I mean, certain things that are happening here do seem dictatorship, like certain things, not to shine a light on, but the Cinematograph Act and whatnot, not to mention it, but you know what I mean. है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि bro ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है थोड़ा बहुत.
धीरे धीरे मतलब
हाँ कि कोई चीज बदल रहा है ऐसा, not for the better.
मतलब let's not
हाँ.
maybe one day we will be banning haircuts also.
Let's maintain the standard and move upwards.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's not create a scenario wherein we are meeting our competition down there. Let's not do that. But it is a legitimate country, North Korea, जिसका मैं कभी भी news पढ़ता है, I feel so glad that I'm an Indian. Like just so glad. Like it almost feels like हाँ ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. You feel like that कि हाँ मतलब पॉलिटिक्स वगैरह.
Yeah, it's like a place where this is the easy level of governance. No, that is what North Korea is.
What?
Yeah, because solvable problems.
North Korea.
Solvable problems.
No, I'm talking about us. Our problems are solvable, of
No, but
course.
feeding people are solvable, na?
Oh,
Just get
please.
people to eat.
You should never meet somebody from North Korea.
I
They
mean,
would
he's hiding
stab
food,
you.
na? ऐसा कुछ है ना?
No, there is no food.
There is no food.
No, there's so much of poverty over there. It's not known to be like a nice place with electricity, and the basic level of amenities are missing from most of the.
Bro, but I was of the opinion that he's hoarding, taking food from people in water.
No, he just has a big fridge because he's fat. That's it. He's not hoarding food.
Korea just makes enough for him.
But what I'm telling you is, you missed the point. The point was that our problem seems solvable. Like the shortcomings that we deal with as Indians, they seem solvable to an extent.
As
like
compared to them.
Yeah, because there's not that much of hopelessness, dude. Being in North Korea, when you listen to people who have successfully made their way to other countries like South Korea or then the United States, UK, other Western countries which give asylum, to defectors, you hear stories, dude. They're like this. You can't imagine the horror, and it's like 25 million people.
There was this video of a North Korean soldier just like somewhere in her 30s or something, just watching American fathers behave with their kids, like play around with their kids, and she was just like, dude, North Korean fathers are just not like this. We just can't afford to be this soft.
See, in this country, you can still afford to have hope to different degrees. I get it. It's terrible across the board, like class differentiation, poverty and whatnot. Of course, these are fucked up problems which need, paying attention to. But there are still like, even if there are less avenues, there are avenues, to make stuff happen. Like internet, for example, is such a big thing. Like, एटलीस्ट अभी तक तो उस पे वो सेंसरशिप कंट्रोल वगैरह सब आया नहीं है. मतलब आ रहा है थोड़ा बट अभी
सॉफ्ट लॉक्स आ जाएगा. हाँ, दैट वो फादर पुट्स अ लॉक ऑन द टीवी ना, दैट शिट इज गोना हैपन.
हाँ, मतलब ये मालूम है मेरे को कैसा खोलने का है, बट ऐसा सब है. But that is there. But at least like you can have internet, you can sell stuff on the internet. If you're an entrepreneur, you're putting like I've come across like scenarios wherein housewives have gotten together and they've created laddu वगैरह सबका बनाने का
YouTube page of recipes and all.
हाँ, वो भी है exactly. So there are at least a lot of new things opening up. In North Korea, you have to apply to the government to have an internet connection.
Oh wow, nice. That is some good role.
मतलब you can't just call like Hathway, Ion, ऐसा whoever is your service provider.
And when it goes out, who do you complain to? Like even that is the biggest luxury. Like one guy came like half an hour ago when we had an internet issue to resolve this thing. Over there you can't complain if you have a problem. बंद हो गया. हाँ, I don't feel like giving you internet today.
I think only 5 North Korean people have no buffering.
Yeah.
No. Only 5 North Korean people have not seen buffering. Everybody else who has internet has seen buffering.
No, they are seeing more buffering than internet.
More buffering than internet, exactly. Yeah. But that is the country which I look at and I'm like, thank God, dude. Because there it's madness. Like, the level of people got worried Like news channels were reporting that Kim Jong-un has lost weight. Is that a sign of stress and whatnot?
Huh.
And it's just a weird, like,
Yeah, it's also like the people over there don't know how bad they've got it.
no, you know how stupid that is? It's like me meeting like a malnourished African child
Huh.
and then sitting beside him and speaking about calorie deficit. You know, I want to lose like water weight, bro. So I want to bring out that is how it sounds like. He can afford to lose some weight, okay?
I
Kim
think
Jong-un can.
that is the news. No? Whenever someone loses so much weight in North Korea, they end up dead. Like
No,
Kim
but
Jong-un
he
is
has-
like, he lost weight and he survived. Like truly, he's a great leader.
But exactly, he hasn't lost that much of weight that he looks emaciated. मतलब इतना ऐसा पतला हड्डी पसली वगैरह नहीं दिख रहा है उसका. अभी तक चीक्स है उसको ऐसा ओली लिली करने जैसा शक्ल है उसका. वो गया नहीं है. किम जोंग उन का ओली लिली शक्ल है ना. वो मतलब आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प वुड हैव लाइक मेट हिम इन द मीटिंग. ओले ओले किमी ऐसा करे. And can you imagine his face? That would be the only time when he would want to be malnourished. You know, like,
that's
the only time.
Like Trump is just talking to his people and being like, him?
Yeah.
Nuclear weapons? But he's so cute!
Yeah. And people were, you know, the North Korean news channels were like rife with headlines about what is wrong, is this? Because you have to take into consideration the fact that if something happens to him,
Eat my child.
no, if something that might be a legitimate thing,
Of
dude.
course.
You never know. Like in North Korea, I mean,
Please, supreme leader, eat my child. Lead
such
our
a-
country.
it's such a thing, dude, because a lot of people don't know anything about the outside world. Like they have a very different sort of thing.
Yeah.
And that's why, you know, like my antennas go up whenever I come across something in that orbit of propaganda, in that orbit of censorship.
Yeah.
You know, you tend to make certain connections with, what's going on here, buddy?
Meaning?
For example, one of the things that I'm very miffed about, okay, with is just as an audience, movie-going audience, you know,
Huh.
like of course there's no
No,
movies
no.
to.
There's no
not
movie
now.
going now.
Like I'm being nostalgic at this
Huh.
point of
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
okay, like, but I like going to theaters and watching movies, you know, on the screen, like
True, yeah.
it's a nice trip.
That's one place where like chill hota tha. Like,
It's
you
a
know,
good way.
very chill place.
It's a very good way to enjoy
Huh.
a movie.
yeah, yeah.
To go to a theater. That's how it's meant to
That's
be
the
enjoyed.
only place where I was okay with strangers.
Exactly, and
around
that's where you're meant to be enjoying that, you know. And now when you go, you are like a 32-year-old bald fuck who finally is like, yeah, I can watch James Bond and whatnot. Why? Because I've been paying taxes for so many years, you know. So I think I can enjoy with a bit of, you know, see a blonde guy live my dreams. Why not?
Yeah.
You know, that's always been the brown guy's dream.
Please make them kiss. Like now.
Yeah, you know, all of those things. Okay, let him enjoy a martini. Let him go ahead and, you know, drive around an Aston Martin, dude, because I had a Santro. Okay, so let me see somebody else drive an
I
Aston
want to see
Martin.
an Aston Martin move across the screen. Dude,
Exactly.
वही
You know?
चाहिए.
and it's a nice thing. But then now when you go to movies and whatnot, if an actor is drinking something, they'll blur the
blur the
bottle
thing. Yeah,
or
yeah.
blur the glass. I'm like, dude, you know how much alcohol we consume? Chill. Chill with it.
No, that's not going to start or stop me from drinking.
Huh, it has no effect. I'm not thinking about it when the actor is drinking like हाँ मेरे को भी चाहिए. I'm just chilling and following the story. If it's a good story, I'm not paying attention to the alcohol.
yeah.
If it's a bad story, then I want alcohol. But then that's with anything. If
Yeah,
there's bad anything, I want alcohol. That's the point of alcohol, you know. That momentarily it makes you think
That good things are happening.
Huh. That's the point of it. Okay, it's supposed to do that. But how did we reach alcohol, dude? We should be.
Yeah, because of this one, the banning of stuff in movies. Like
Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
blurring of
yeah,
stuff.
the
in
blurring of stuff, and
movies.
that's
Yeah,
why
everything
like
is there.
whenever
and
you
that's such a weird. Reality is not blurred.
Exactly.
Okay, you get out and you see everything is bad.
what's the point in pixelating on screen
Yeah.
when you can't pixelate
Yeah,
in reality?
everything else is 18 plus, dude.
Everything
Around
else
you.
is high definition.
Yeah, high definition 18 plus.
Yes.
Hitting you in the face.
Exactly.
People honking at you when you're crossing the road and you're 8 months pregnant. That shit is not pixelated.
And see, buddy, if I can watch James Bond and I'm above 18 and, you know, I'm 32, all right? I've been drinking for 7 years. You're going to tell me now?
Arey, dude, look at how much money you made through your taxes, dude. James Bond has got nothing to do with this.
Yeah, let him just chill, you know.
Yeah.
But those sort of things end up happening as far as the censorship changes in the
But now
laws.
they've like gone one step ahead.
Yeah, with the Cinematograph Act and them going ahead and saying that we are going to have the last say. I mean, the union government or the IT ministry would have the last say. INB ministry, sorry, Information and Broadcast Ministry, that will have the last say, and that basically renders CBFC moot. It doesn't make any sense. It's like,
Now it's just like they'll pause the movie in the middle and be like, "नहीं मजा आ रहा है ना?"
no, it's like you're giving like an MBBS ka certificate
To anybody.
No, you're giving an MBBS ka certificate to a student and then telling, but don't be a doctor. If a patient comes, send them to me. हाँ तेरे को दिया है डिग्री, but तू कुछ दवाई वगैरह नहीं दे सकता है. You can't do any of that.
Yeah, true. Like it's now, and it's the thing, no, कि anyone can complain or something. Like
Yeah,
it's basically they made the whole process the
flimsy.
internet.
Very, very flimsy. Yeah.
They made it the internet. No, I don't like it this way.
Like it was impervious to trolling because you had an independent body which was able to certify a piece of work like a movie or a series or whatever, and that's why it was impervious to trolls or bias of any sort. Okay, but now when you're taking that away, you're opening the doors to a lot of bias because other individual biases will come into picture. You are allowing so many different biases based on religion, based on something else that people hold dear. The definition will keep on changing. And if you go ahead and keep it that wide open, where if anybody without any sort of thought process or education order just says, हाँ नहीं मेरे को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Dude, that's what's gonna happen in the future. Like how they had Snyder cut now. Like for Justice League, we're gonna have like a Hindu cut, a Muslim cut, a Bahujan cut, everything.
Oh
like,
my
for
God,
everything. Like everybody just does one cut. Who are you? Which ticket are you buying? This is for you.
all the people belonging to one this go to
this theater. This hall.
screen number 5 is for this.
Yes.
Screen number 1 is for this.
Sign this. If you go in the wrong screen, then what happens?
Yeah. Then what happens? You have to go ahead and take into account that. Like वो तेरे को करना पड़ेगा. I mean, God, dude, I hope it doesn't come to that. I hope it's a bit better, and I hope there's a bit more trust both ways. There's this basically shows lack of trust, dude. From the land of like Satyajit Ray and a lot of people who've been admired across the globe. अपन तो सिर्फ admiration दूर से किया, कुछ बचाया नहीं सत्यजीत रे का. वो बेचारा स्कोरसेसी को करना पड़ा.
उसको करना पड़ा कि हाँ ये अच्छा. Like same thing. Like विदेशी validation is the one thing that keeps our art and cinema alive.
It saves us, but that's the thing. Still better than North Korea, but I don't think
yet is the keyword.
No, I mean, it's too far, dude. But not too. Matlab yet is. I would not say yet because
still pessimistic.
It's too pessimistic just because of the difference. Like
like it's astounding how bad North Korea is made with just so many people.
No,
like,
let me just clarify. It's alone. There is like, for example, North Korea is by itself. As far as setting that standard, it's by itself. For example, India you can compare with some other developing nation, which has a lot of manpower and whatnot. There is no comparison to North Korea. You can't compare it with any other country, because you can't compare it with the Middle East.
It's unique in that manner.
It's unique in that manner. There is no comparison. What will you compare North Korea with? With North Korea. That is it.
Yeah. At one point, it like maybe an ant colony. That's what North Korea you can compare it with.
No, it's an isolationism thing playing itself, like the snake cannibalizing itself, like eating its tail. That is what it is. And of course, there's no K-pop. Like, just imagine the stark difference in
there is no.
There is K-pop on that side of the border where boys are just putting on makeup and killing it, buddy. Like dancing and whatnot.
7 at a time.
7 at a time. Boy bands. Boy bands. There are boy bands on that side of the border. Can you imagine how different childhoods have to be for boy bands to be a possibility in your teenage years?
Just like the dreams are so different. Like over here, it is spotlight. Over there, it's the light at the end of a tunnel that leads to North Korea.
No. Over here, it's spotlight. Over there, it's rice. Some rice. All I want, buddy. is for crop to grow and for us to have food to eat. That is all I want. You know, I will dance like a K-pop guy if there is rice. You know, that is the only scenario in which I can see a North Korean citizen dance. If there is food, arre re 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 khana aa gaya. You know,
To what music though? There is no music.
you won't need
You'll
it.
find natural frequency.
Natural rhythm. Arre, bhook, bhook.
Like they'll
You know what?
they'll compose music through the beats of rice boiling.
No,
Like
there's-
that is
there's
all.
like one product which should just hire North Koreans as actors is Maggie. You know,
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Just North Koreans running.
Just it will be the best advertisement.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you imagine who's the hungriest people on the planet? Them. You know, who would enjoy? Who understands the preciousness of time from when food is on stove and when it is in my mouth?
It's just perfect. Like,
Perfect.
I start cooking and before the cops come to pick me up for illegally cooking.
I think I've already found a way to pull off a coup in North Korea. You wouldn't even need soldiers. Just fill up plane with Maggie packets
drop it.
and drop it with a note कि देख और चाहिए
तो उड़ा दो.
तो उड़ा दो. That is it.
Yeah.
You know, 2 मिनट में पकता है, ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लेगा. अभी के लिए enjoy करो. You know, and if you want to, you know, just that. All you will need is, I think, 10 planes with
Full
Maggie.
of this.
Yeah.
Just flying.
Yeah. Just parachute it down and that's it. The whole experience has changed.
It will just start a movement where the flag is a Maggie packet.
Yeah. I mean, because if you think about it, food security is a big part of being a leader.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, that's why people in India, like, we had the Vidarbha water crisis and whatnot. And of course, shit hasn't changed as much. A lot of money has changed hand, but things haven't changed, you know. And that was also a part of the food security problem. You know, the fact that farmers cannot go ahead and depend on their crop and whatnot, and they, you know, are not earning anything.
Yeah.
So food is becoming a problem for them. You know, basic things are becoming a problem. That is what we judge a leadership upon. One of the most basic fundamental things that you have to take care of is food. All right, buddy, like, let's not have people dying because there is no food. Let's not have people dying because घर नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं. You know, the basic things that we can take care of because life is going to fuck us up anyway. You know,
हाँ,
so
खाली पेट मेरे को प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं देनी.
हाँ, मतलब दिमाग भी नहीं चलता है,
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं.
Like then you're फिर रात को नींद नहीं आता है.
Yeah.
Like let my nightmares wake me up.
Yeah, I mean, wouldn't it be like counterproductive to not have people eating? Like, wouldn't it be better, like, for Kim Jong-un if North Koreans are well fed?
Yeah, so much more better.
You might actually have a nuclear missile that works then. वो लोग physics में ध्यान लगेगा, dude. Vitamin है, सब है अंदर. हाँ, तो अभी
they're not reading like, you know, हाँ ठीक है ये projectile motion ऊपर आता है, rice.
Yeah. That's
rice.
not happening.
वो MCQ form ये MCQ में answer mark कर रहा है, all options are rice.
Yeah.
All options are fish.
That's not happening. But my God. But yeah, that was about North Korea. Of course, I mean, that makes me.
But the world in general has been many shifts have been happening, no? In the recent news.
Yeah, I mean,
There
that
news
is
in the Middle East, as always.
Oh yes, yeah. With the United States and NATO and whatnot pulling out.
How long have they been there?
A long time, dude. It's been like easily a decade. It is basically the fallout of 2001 World Trade Center attack. That was what basically pushed United States into Afghanistan.
Wasn't there an Afghan war
Not an Afghan
Long
war. There
before?
was a
in the 80s or something?
There was the Gulf War. Not in the 80s, in the 90s, but that was between Iraq and Kuwait, and US had played an intermediary role.
Okay, this is through video games, but like 84 mein I remember there was some...
If you are starting a line
No, it's
with,
Metal Gear
okay,
Solid,
it is
so-
video games,
no,
then
they're
the
quite-
second part should not be a fact of any sort.
Dude, Metal Gear Solid is quite accurate. So there was
Yes,
an Afghan war.
yes, but the character is also called Snake or something like that. Okay, so
हाँ,
it's, it's fine. Like,
Yeah,
take it
but
with a
then
pinch
that's
of
this
salt.
only ना what क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Yeah, he
So
doesn't
that's all.
exist, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but he's a fictional character in a war which actually happened.
Yes, but
I know I'm
Why?
fighting for a
Yeah.
cause.
What cause is this? Why are you trying to justify video games as a legit source of general knowledge? I don't understand.
Because I learned history from Assassin's
You
Creed.
did. You did. The whole world is reading books, Noel. You did.
The guy who read those books, they are the ones who are being hired by these video game
Noel,
companies.
just to put things in perspective, you know how stupid that sounds coming from a writer? You are a writer, dude. You make up shit all the time, but it is based in reality.
Huh.
Okay. So you, more than anybody else, knows that it should be taken with some sort of leeway.
But dude, there was an Afghan war in the 80s.
Yes,
Something
there-
Soviet versus US
yes,
troops. Tha.
that did happen. But that was just because that was the prolonged outcoming of, you know, the Vietnam conflict and whatnot, and communism.
It's just
versus-
US and Soviet playing home away games.
Yeah, they're choosing battlefields, basically proxy battlefields and whatnot.
Outsourcing war.
Yeah, that is what they had done. But damn, dude, why are we discussing world history?
हाँ वो अफगान का ये हुआ था. So 2001 they after World
Yeah,
Trade
so
Center का
that
thing,
was the
they came
fallout
over.
of the World Trade Center, and that's why they ended up entering Afghanistan, you know, and to rein in the Taliban, and of course it has been an uphill battle to say the least in terms of just manpower, lives, money, all of that. Okay, it's cost like a lot of money.
Yeah, I mean what 19 years. That's
yeah.
one generation.
Yeah, more than one. Like a lot of people, a lot of military personnel have seen, you know,
That's
action.
a Middle East, like I think that's a feature. Just war is a feature of Middle East.
Yeah, but it's such a thing because see,
What caused them to pull out?
that's prolonged.
Yeah,
You
they
have
just did they forget what the cause of the war was, and no one could get an answer, so they were like, okay, abhi
No,
yaad nahi
because
aa
they
raha
got in thinking that because they are fighting it for the right reasons, it will work out. That
hai.
is
Moral high ground.
that is
Has zero strategic advantage.
quintessential American outlook towards everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Like put your back into it
Yeah,
and it will
they're
be fixed.
The originators of positivity.
हाँ मतलब वो लोग ऐसा थोड़ी है ब्रो. तेरे को अफगानिस्तान का क्या मालूम? तेरे को
देख लेंगे.
उधर जाके मतलब they tried, you know, they tried a lot of different things. First of all, they just went in. You know, there was a lot of bombing, killing, drone attack, वो सब तो चालू ही रहता है. But apart from that, there was also a lot of community engagement also, you know, in terms of building schools, promoting education for girls and women. So of course there were ingrained cultural conflicts in terms of what the American troops were trying to create.
Yeah, there is that culture shock over there because this, no?
Yeah, it is like not just a culture shock, the fact that they are trying to create an atmosphere which is not conducive to terrorism. So the United States and the UN and NATO, all of these people, the Western democracies and powers that be, they are approaching this with a good intention of ensuring that, okay, let's fix certain parts of
They
the
basically
society.
want to start a renaissance.
Yeah, let me.
in this, no?
Yeah, let me finish. Not a renaissance. Let me finish. I have a thought. Yeah.
Taking too long. That's
Yeah, because we are talking about a war. Yeah, exactly.
The war got over.
Oh, God.
You're still going on.
If you ever get kidnapped, you are not leaving behind any reason for anybody to help you. Okay, if you're in any sort of a situation, you have just looked at all the problems in the world and went,
I'm really wondering what they'll ask for.
no, see, you have to take that into account because you're trying to influence a culture and bring about certain changes. And I do get it. Do you think that, okay, this is going to take care of the terrorism aspect of it, benefit the society, build it up and whatnot. But at the same time, the cultural differences were so stark. And the fact that you can't really bring about cultural change with guns. It just doesn't work like that. Because the moment you remove guns, guess what? It's not going to work. Like, imagine what used to happen when I was a kid. Okay, my father had very strict rules about the television. All right, you did not watch TV when I'm not there. All right, but if my father is not there in the house, guess what little Gaurav did? Watch television. All right, exactly. And I did that till I realized I have to utilize some of my evening time for homework also. Okay, till I realized that, I kept on making the mistake.
It's a very nice moral story.
Exactly. Okay, I'm covering all the bases. I was
Some
just
reason, after in the 4th episode, after just being horrible for 3 episodes, like just being amoralistic people for 3 episodes, suddenly we have moral stories.
I do not have moral stories. I have more of a very, I think my motive is predominantly selfish because I'm going ahead and reaching a place of scenario which is according to my liking. Okay, I want less conflict. Basically, I don't want to open up a newspaper and read about some war somewhere all the
One
time.
nice place where hashish and all grows.
Yeah, that is okay. That is coming from a person who's sober and whatnot. My God, that piece of information is surprising, but it is true. You know, they are known for good hashish. I read it in
but like that is a
Ripley's. No, not Ripley's. What's that? General knowledge encyclopedia.
Encyclopedia. Encyclopedias.
Yeah,
But I hope they never get censored.
but you have to understand. I mean, that again brings me to the same point that I keep on having about time and civilizations. Okay, because Afghanistan at one point of time was killing it.
Yeah.
You know, the Persian Empire, like.
Yeah. It's considered to be the birthplace of civilization. Right? The Middle
That
East
whole
and all.
area, yeah, the Middle
Yeah.
East and whatnot.
But it often feels like it's the beginning of human extinction also.
I mean, yeah,
Like, that's where it's all going to start.
that's where it's all going to start. It's coming full circle.
Yeah.
Maybe we are at that point
Yeah.
where we are just coming full circle. We are at the end moment of the tail.
Yeah.
You know, where we already know, historically speaking, the people from the Middle East, they had fucking great hygiene and whatnot. They used to bathe and they had pools and hammams and, you know, they
Yeah.
had saunas.
The
dude.
oases are done now.
हाँ, वो लोग के पास सब कुछ था and they had astronomers, like they were well known for, like, you know, creating like legit
Astronomical charts and all. no?
yeah
Huh.
and not astrology, no
No.
that's bullshit.
Astronomical.
Astronomy, yeah, where the stars are, where the
The line between science and bullshit
Yeah,
has never been so thin
Never,
as in astrology and astronomy.
it starts very nicely. Astro. It starts very nicely.
And
but
then it just goes, no. Just gaya.
it makes all the difference.
Yeah.
Okay. From trying to give you perspective over the
One makes you feel small, the other makes you feel like the center of the universe.
exactly. You know.
Like, वही है.
One tells you what is the center of the universe, or at least is trying to find the center of the universe. The other tells you, guess what, buddy? You are.
ये जो ग्रह है
सब तेरा
तेरे
है. सब तेरा है. सब तेरा है.
I mean, like, how self-conscious are we? Like, उसके वजह से, like, we're blaming planets now.
Yeah. And imagine, dude, this is, people like look at Jupiter and whatnot and also are like, "Arey, Jupiter is not at the right place or whatever." But do you understand Jupiter is at the perfect place? You know why? Because Jupiter is so big, it ends up stopping most of the comets and asteroids coming our way. Okay.
It's good for Earth's kundali.
Yeah.
Okay, don't mess with Earth's kundali.
Full planet Kundali ke liye it's in the right place. मतलब don't move that planet.
Yeah. Don't havan band karo. Like, stop. It's moved too far. Like that would be India's version of Armageddon. One guy does a havan, Jupiter moves, a comet comes.
Oh my God.
Man.
But it is true. I mean, you know, the Middle Eastern people. Akbar was from. He had spent some time in Afghanistan, Kabul.
Around that
Yeah,
area.
he
no?
had family members, cousins. You know, when he was escaping people, that time he had spent a considerable time in Kabul. And guess what? Then he came back and he's still now considered as one of the better Mughals. You know, the fellow who was diplomatic.
Yeah.
ऐसा मारदाड़ वगैरह नहीं किया आके मतलब
वो आके बोला चल क्विजीन बनाते हैं. Like, no, best चीज.
चलो काम पे लगते हैं. अभी असिमिलेट हो गया है किंगडम, अभी काम पे लगने का. अभी उस पे ध्यान देने का काम.
Dude, you know what a great idea he had when, like, he just started. So he wanted the Mughals and all to settle, his chieftains and all. So he just said, get your wives over here. Like, their wives were still in whatever Afghanistan or whatnot. So he just said, yeah, get your wives over here. And once the wives came, these guys were okay. They were like, yeah, the princesses and all are here. घर जैसा ही हो गया India.
Well, if you invade something,
Yeah.
then it will play. You are invading it for a reason. You want a new home. Okay.
Yeah, there was a pattern over there. वो हर जगह से भगाए जाते थे मुगल लोग. Dude, so with all this thing in the past week, just to, because we have come on YouTube and whatnot.
Yeah.
I just without like signing in on YouTube or something, I decided let's just Google and see. So I Googled radical and just hit to see whether our podcast comes up or not.
Oh.
Our podcast is there.
Oh, okay.
Is there?
Oh, yeah, of course.
But you know what's with the podcast? all channels and videos of communism, all socialism video.
Basically,
Because the word radical is associated with radical left. That's where we are. The good thing is our video pops out also because there is color in our thumbnail. Like everything else.
Oh,
on
nice.
because capitalism took away all the colors.
yeah.
You know, so that on Pride Month they can put it on their
It just
logo.
bought. It just bought all
Bought
of
all
the
of the
colors.
colours,
Yeah,
yeah.
of course it did. I mean,
Yeah.
you need to stick with red and yellow, and you know, you need to stick with that. But damn, dude, you get all of the communist propaganda videos
Yeah.
when you type in radical.
Yes. But if we go radical measures and whatnot,
तो
we-
आता है.
हाँ, आता है अपना. Radical
अच्छा है,
measures
but-
podcast.
but-
The alternative is worse. Like the other thing associated with the
Yeah, I know.
radical
I was
is-
just going to. That's terrorism.
yeah. Radical terrorism. Like at least it's not next to a beheading video.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you imagine being on that
Page.
that page, like search 1 to 10, put in radical, and oh my god. Oh dude. Yeah, that is one thing we did not think about when we came up with this
Title. No.
We just thought about, yeah, it is a radical
Oh my God,
time, dude. We have
radical
to
measure,
take.
radical time.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are being like really, oh my god, that's such a hip this and all.
And now we are like, oh,
oh my
we
God,
are on
the-
the same Google search as terrorists. What the fuck is going on?
Imagine, I like to think that if that were true, then like I like to think there's like one Muslim kid who's like looking for ISIS beheading videos who finds our podcast and like his life changes.
Yeah. हाँ, नहीं करने का यार.
अरे ये दुनिया मस्त है. हाँ, ट्रैफिक में हॉन्क नहीं करने का औरतों को.
No, he just ends up looking at all the different things that we are talking about, and he just realizes everything is fucked.
Yeah.
In some way, it's okay. It's not like
unless my suicide vest has nuclear fission material,
Yeah,
it
it's
can't
not.
stop anything.
it's nonsense. But anyway, it's a good thing that the color is popping out,
Yeah.
and the thumbnail is making us stand out from
Yeah,
you know
at
Lenin
least socialist video.
and Marx and Lenin and whatnot. So that's nice. But what else were you going to talk about? Oh
we were
yes.
going to go into deep history and whatnot. We were thinking about like cave paintings. I think you were mentioning something about those sometime.
Oh yeah. I just came across this tiny a news clipping, okay, about a new cave painting that people have found out, and that was regarding dating of species and timelines. That ये टाइम पे इधर कौन रहता था वगैरह वो सब सीन. Okay, so archaeologists are going ahead, and so there was like a cave painting of a giraffe or some animal, right? And that made me think that we have romanticized cave painting so much now because it's a historical thing. Like, you know, people then used to try and express what they used to feel and whatnot. But all of those cave paintings are always like, you know, normal, like animals,
Basic.
hunting, वगैरह whatnot. But if we are being really honest about what people are like,
Yeah.
and what men are like, okay, there are definitely cave paintings which are of the pornographic nature, okay, that you just can't print in a textbook. Like giraffe ke baaju mein, definitely, dude.
Why is this morphed half?
Yeah.
Like, you know, why is this? It feels fake. And then you
I'm
realize-
telling you, giraffe ka baaju mein, exactly, like you'll have that, like how you had cave paintings. And you know why I feel like that would legitimately be a thing is because look at bathroom walls.
Yeah.
Okay? Bathroom walls have all sorts of, especially like if you spent any time like me in a boys hostel, in a boys military school, bathroom walls will have a lot of pornographic material.
Yes.
You know, a lot of wannabe artists, you know, fulfilling their fantasies while taking a dump. I mean, I don't get it, but it was there. And that also makes me believe that, of course, there is a cave painting out there, which is, I mean, not just a cave painting. Look at Egyptians, man. They have those hieroglyphs.
One thing I was thinking about cave paintings, the paint itself was a resource, na? Like, मतलब कुछ तो hunt करके या कुछ gather करके मिला ना paint.
Or you made it from ash or something like that, of course.
मेहनत का काम था. Like, so there is someone, I think if there is a pornographic thing, there's someone stealing paint from someone who actually made it and earned it and चुपके से बना रहा है. So someone got beaten up for that thing also.
No, I mean, that does not sound like a bad investment. I mean, you would, if you have ink, you would use it for that. I mean, you're not taking into account the fact that people are people. They haven't changed. The similarity is that there's pornographic material on the walls. Okay, they haven't changed. Let it be a cave painting or a bathroom wall. Okay, or imagine like Egyptian hieroglyphs. All right, when you have those Egyptian hieroglyphs and whatnot, the pharaoh used to commission it, right? To stone masons कि मतलब तू मेरे लिए पूरा वो दीवार वगैरह पे करके सब बना, you know. And what if he must be also commissioning tableaus of you know,
like, you know, write in code the thing between the two women and whatnot, that, no?
no, or just fucking make it. Carve it out on a stone. I want to see two women with cat heads fuck each other. I want that. I'm a pharaoh. Make it. I'm a king, dude, of course.
Commission,
Yeah,
patronage.
of course. What are you talking about?
Oh, what was it with cats though?
I don't know. They were the first furries. That is what they were. They
I
were
think
the first king.
if you think about it, furries is a very narrow term because they worshipped every animal. Like they were into crocodiles.
Yeah, into crocodiles.
That's not furry. That's a different cat.
That's a different thing altogether. Yeah, that is true. I mean, they covered a lot of different. They covered half the animal kingdom with their symbological carving on the stone and whatnot. But damn, dude, that's pretty nice.
So let me just give a life update. When we talk about eco-friendly things or something, like when we talk about saving the environment, indirectly we mean we are saving us, no?
Yeah.
It's a thing. Now, few years ago, our building put like did a tree plantation drive.
Okay.
Okay, and now the trees are big enough and blocking my sunlight. so this eco-friendly thing is not friendly for me.
Yeah,
You
you're
know
not
what I
getting
mean?
vitamin
No,
D. The tree is
I'm
getting
like,
vitamin D. Yeah,
like
yeah.
I mean, like I know we need trees, but if they're competition to vitamin D, like competition to sunlight, then there is a problem there.
And the only thing the society person will have to say to that is, get out of the house now. It'll be good for you.
No, but like that was part of the floor rise.
Yeah.
Direct sunlight.
Yeah. True. That is true.
Yeah. Also, I've finally packed up the PlayStation and kept it inside.
Why you're
Yeah.
not playing?
That
on it?
phase is over.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's done.
You sacrificed that part of you in the pandemic?
No, not in the pandemic and all. You know how people walk and like they say, I'm feeling old. And like when they drink a lot, after they reach a certain age, they're like, abhi daru nahi ho raha hai, वगैरह. Like things that they do remind them of their age, you know. For me, it was video gaming. Video gaming reminds me that I'm getting old now. Even though I'm 26, you know, I just don't have the focus for a video game.
What?
I just don't have it. I can't complete.
Like across the board, like, or is there a bias with certain games?
No, I think I'm done. Like things that used to excite me about a game, like when they say open world, I was like, oh god, travel. No, please, not happening.
I think you say that now, and when virtual reality comes out, I'm pretty sure I'll see you plugged in. You'll not even be here for the podcast.
No.
We'll have a holograph of you while you're fucking running on a horse somewhere. Assassin's Creed.
No.
Trying to remember
No, Assassin's Creed is too
which
shit.
war happened when. You'll be doing the same thing. Seek general knowledge in the virtual reality realm. We were speaking about inflation in this episode before, and guess what sort of bit of news I came across because Noel sent me. Okay, this basically takes the cake as far as stupidity is concerned. The title, okay, of this news article or whatever was dowry inflation
Seen in Punjab and
and Haryana.
What a cute term, dude. Dowry inflation.
First of all, you retard. Why do you think if pandemic is going to have an overall inflation, why would dowry escape it?
Yeah.
First of all, dowry is an inflated thing to expect. You know?
Dude, one of the biggest thing you get in dowry is vehicles. And the one thing that's become more expensive is petrol.
Exactly.
So obviously.
No, and like dowry, the expectation of something, you know, just because I'm marrying your daughter, or the expectation of something is in itself an inflated expectation. Why are you charting at what degree is the expectation? Like, oh, they are asking for more money in the Dahej now. They are asking for more. What a what a tragic outcome of the pandemic. Of course, dude. And what are the two places? You're looking at Punjab and Haryana. Okay, Punjab and Haryana, both of these places, alright, the people, and they're known to be symbolically thoda showing off.
Yeah,
okay?
it's a flex.
It's a flex. It's a part of their lifestyle. They like good shit. They like expensive shit. They like to show it off. You know, that's who they are. Like, you know.
Len-den should be of big amounts.
Yeah. So
That's
of
all
course
I
there is this is going to happen. You can't just name those two states and be like, yeah, the world is changing. Please, man, like get your priorities straight. Okay, dowry across the board is stupid. You don't need to chart inflation when it comes to dowry.
Yeah, a graph. Like the person sitting there is like, a graph of what?
Yeah, like a dowry expectation is always considered to be backbreaking anyway. It's not like, you know, itna sasta.
No,
Arey.
yeah. No one is going like, "Arey, back in the day it was so good."
Yeah, like so this basically implies that पहले तो मतलब public 100 रुपया दे दो ठीक है चलो हो जाएगा ऐसा थोड़ी था
अभी
कि
बढ़ गया रे
हाँ,
बाबा.
हमेशा ही नॉनसेंस था. You know, हमेशा से ही नॉनसेंस था.
It's like news flash. Don't get your daughters married yet. And more importantly, like, are you charting up what do you call it? An extrapolation or something ki kam hoega? Are you going to be like, the government is starting measures to reduce the amount of dowry?
No, they are just going ahead and saying that it will be affordable in the near future.
In the near future.
Because everything
Hold on.
will be amazing.
When a stocks may hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on to your son right now. Hold on to your
Hold
daughter
on to
right now.
it. You'll get a better value.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Bola cheez.
But yeah, that
We're
is it. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think let's have a nice short episode.
Yeah.
You know, let's see if that does anything to the algorithm, right? But this brings us to the end of episode 4. This has been the 4th episode of Radical Measures podcast. Please do follow us. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and force 10 people you know to subscribe to the YouTube channel as
Oh,
well.
we are doing pyramid scheme.
Yeah, we are going ahead and doing the pyramid
We just
scheme
jumped.
thing. Oh,
Gateway
yes.
to heaven, pyramid scheme,
All of it.
everything.
I'm being an all-round salesman. Okay, whatever you desire, everything shall come true. Okay, so do press the subscribe button, and we always have some sort of bakchodi content going on over here.
Yeah.
We are two people who talk about everything under the sun without having any impact on the world whatsoever. Okay, so it's a perfect conversation to listen to. Do follow us on Instagram, me on gaurav.v.pawar and Noel Cordero on Corderio Noel. You'll see the names. You'll also see them in the description. You'll find the link to that over there. We have certain clips that we've been putting out on our YouTube channel.
Watch them.
Do watch them. If you find them funny, do share them with your friends. You know, an easier thing. It's like a taster, you know, an appetizer. Oh, you like it? Yeah, now you can order main course. All right. So go ahead and utilize that strategy. And apart from that, if you haven't gotten vaccinated, get vaccinated and stay safe, motherfuckers. Stay safe.
Survive.